يأت بما غل يوم القيامة ثم توفى كل نفس ما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون.
It is not for a prophet to defraud, and whoever defrauds shall bring with him the fruits of his fraud. On the day of resurrection, when every human being shall be paid in full what he has earned, and shall not be wronged.
أفمن اتبع رضوان الله كمن باء بسخط من الله ومأواه جهنم وبئس المصير.
Is he who follows the good pleasure of Allah like him who is laden with Allah's wrath and whose abode is hell? How evil that is for a resting place.
هم درجات عند الله والله بصير بما يعملون.
They vary greatly in rank in the sight of Allah, and Allah sees what they do.
لقد من الله على المؤمنين إذ بعث فيهم رسولا من أنفسهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين.
Surely Allah conferred a great favor on the believers when He raised from among them a messenger to recite to them His signs and to purify them and to teach them the book and wisdom. For before that they were in manifest error.
أولما أصابتكم مصيبة قد أصبتم مثليها قلتم أنى هذا قل هو من عند أنفسكم إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
And how come when a calamity befell you, even though the enemy hath suffered at your hands in the battle of Badr, twice what you have suffered, you began to ask, how has this come about? Say, this calamity has been brought about by yourselves. Surely Allah has power over everything.